of contribution from the last 70 years. We had a great contribution and great help from US, and this is one of them. Access. This is totally transforming our students, their life, their behavior, their learning, and finally the understanding of English and speaking the English. I have discussed with the excellencies that this is not end of the world. We will not, stick up to, access only. There are a lot of other avenues. I will personally, I will invite Consul General, His Excellency in DG Khan, and there's a lot of avenues we will discuss, like trade, how it can develop trade in the south of Punjab, how the critical minerals are there, that we can work on that, and access the second phase or third phase with a bigger population. I just want to share with you, in Dera Ghazi Khan there's a tendency that students basically they get admission in languages, and after graduating they do something in education like B.Ed and M.Ed, and then they go to the schools and colleges. This is a very common phenomenon in DG Khan.
I want to congratulate all of you. Bahut Bahut Mubarak ho. Since 2004, in the last 22 years, more than 20,000 Pakistani students graduated from the English Access Program. Today, you have become part of that alumni network. It's a rich, deep network, and I hope you stay engaged, I hope you contribute to it, and I hope you learn from it. Your creativity, your bold ideas, and your willingness to challenge yourselves shows extraordinary courage and vision. In today's presentation so far, and with the bright students that I've met, I see the future of Pakistan, and it's bright, it's innovative, and it's full of possibility because of young leaders like all of you. The United States is proud to have invested in you. The skills you've gained, not just in English proficiency, English language proficiency, but in leadership, in critical thinking, in teamwork. These are the things that will empower you to shape your communities and become the leaders that Pakistan needs.
Thank you for gracing the moment with your support. Access Program has transformed these talented young scholars, sharpening their language skills, broadening their horizons, and empowering them to pursue brighter future. For that, we are profoundly grateful to Regional English Language Office for bringing Access Program to DG Khan.